food. Just amazing, beautiful. Love to come and eat that later on. I'll try to go this side of town. Wow, lots and lots of light. The amount of electricity that these people consume is just so much. I don't know how to do it. Street food here is just amazing. They have the sausage hot dogs, which is 4,000 kwon. This other one is hot kimchi noodles, potato hot dogs. I think they also have some tea. I'll grab some. Hey, hello, how are you? Speak English? Is that tea? Tea? Can I get a hot dog, please? That one there. I beg your pardon?
Cheese or cheese?
Cheese?
Cheese at the half and half, sausage and cheese.
Sausage and cheese, yeah. That one there.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. How much is that in total?
5,000.
I've just ordered myself a sausage hot dog. How do I start? Just what kind of sauce do you have?
Ketchup and sriracha mayo and mustard, honey mustard.
That one is hot. Can I get the middle one?
Yeah.
Mayo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. I had thought that is tea. It's not a soup, eh? It's nice. What is your cafe called? What's the name of the cafe? Busan.
Cheesecake.
Ah,
Is the another location in Korea?
yeah. That's where I'm going. I'm going to Busan.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've just had a very quick Korean sausage and some soup, and that was awesome. I actually liked the taste. It kind of warmed me up. I was feeling very cold, and then all of a sudden I'm back again. I'm warm again. This street looks beautiful. I don't know how to build this kind of streets. They just look amazing. It's holiday season and it seems like there are a lot of people traveling from all over the place, a lot of Asians coming from all directions. It looks like this is the heart of street food. Wow, this is just so amazing. Hello sister, how are you? I greet you. Thank you. This is the heart of street food. Everything here is just so welcoming. Lots of it. I need something like pork, spice. these guys use is just insane. The lighting, of course, makes the city looks beautiful, but should be very expensive. The power they consume to make the city look like it is, it should be a lot of money. It should be costing the country a lot of money, combined with winter. God, it's freaking cold. It's cold all the time. This is what I was talking about. Just look at that. It's just amazing. It's beautiful. But how much money do they pay for that? Which street is this? That is just insane. The amount of effort they make to create such a spectacle. It is beautiful. Beautiful is probably not the most appropriate word. Spectacle, spectacular is probably the right word that I should use. I just can't handle it anymore. I've been out for the last 45 minutes to an hour. I just checking out the streets of Myeongdong. I'm impressed by what I've seen. But it's now time for me to get out of this cold and go back to my hotel room and enjoy the coziness and the warmth. I just can't stay out much longer than I have. The cold is catching up with me. Maybe I need something that is spicy. I'm back to my village. I'm back to my town. I'm back to my little town that I'm used to. It's much more easier to navigate here. There are lots and lots of people out in the cold, lots of tourists in the streets where they're selling food, and a lot of them came out to have fun. But you know, it's very cold, but maybe that is part of it. I think I need to go and have some coffee in this place. Holly's Coffee. What is that Holly's Coffee? I think it's here. Is it closed now? Or is it still open? Looks very quiet. Probably closed. I don't want to go in a place that is already closed. Or why is it so cold now? Why? Tell me why. I probably have talked about that a million times, and everybody should be very angry with me why I talk about the same thing again and again and again and again. Bro, if you knew that this is my hotel here, if you knew that you can't handle the cold, why did you come here during winter? You know, it's cold. Why did you do that? Bloody hell.